to the greatest show on YouTube.
And the show must go on.
Yes, sir. You got Drina, Mike, and Joey C. TV, baby.
All right.
Also, the Sexiest Men Alive on YouTube. Of course, we got him, then we got me. Oh, yeah. And the most beautiful lady on YouTube.
Hey, guys. All right, guys. So we are back at the same location. I think there is a small infatuation with this building. I'm going to blame it on Joe. Because
I love coming here. It's so scary.
See?
And like I said, there's unfinished business, right?
It depends what business you're talking about.
We have
True.
We have some unfinished business that we must take care of here. So we're going to take you guys back here with us. Hopefully we don't run into any crazy people. And if we do, at least there's three of us this time. Superman couldn't save us from the locked building or the locked room that time. So
even Superman, kryptonite, golly.
all right, guys. Hope y'all enjoy this video. We'll see y'all in a minute.
We have to get up to the second floor.
So that we see a room over here that looks really interesting. Like, is a really different kind of chandelier up there. So I wonder if that was like, I don't know,
Yeah.
special suite or something.
Gotta find the stairs.
Oh yeah, guys, that's a suite.
Right here.
Oh, the smell of cat urine.
Huh?
Yeah, it was an apartment.
Ooh.
Here's your purse right here.
Oh
my God.
Smell is
What's
so
wrong?
bad.
Stink.
The smell?
Yeah, man.
Why you Can't do it.
Walk to that door.
Oh,
Hey, Joe, you want a mask, man?
I have a mask in the bag.
Yeah, let me get one of these masks. I go in there with a mask on. I'm not going in there without it.
That's bad, Joe. In #5, baby. This room smells so bad. Like, this room smells so bad.
Hey, Joe, here you a toy.
What's that?
Truck.
Oh no, I see the truck too. I like that.
Look at the water.
Oh, my God. Oh,
Look at the water.
ooh,
Oh,
the smell.
Water box here that's overflowing.
That's probably why. I hope there's no cats in here.
Oh, shit. Look at this. This is the problem right here.
What is that?
I don't know. It's on the table. Look like a bunch of shit. I mean, boo-boo or something. See?
I wonder if there's cats in here.
You see what's on the table? Yeah.
Yeah, I think we gotta get out of here.
Yeah.
Let's get out of this one.
Where's the door? Could you go out the door inside?
You can. You wanna go
Look at
that
all
way?
What's all that?
Same on what's on the table?
Yeah, let's get up out of here. Yeah, we can go out through the inside.
Is it better over that way?
It's crazy.
Makes you want to throw up.
Look at the litter box.
I don't want to see it.
You see the shit?
I'll see it on your camera. I'm just hoping there's no cats left behind in here.
What was this?
I bet some people were just living here, squatting.
Yeah. There's the stairway. Oh, we found the stairway. Oh, this is the hallway.
Yeah. I gotta get away from this room. This is like Quarter Central. That's what I was seeing. I seen smoke. Ooh, I can't breathe.
You okay?
Yeah. Just a mask. It's the second one. Y'all think the floor is safe to walk on?
Yes, it's concrete. It's good.
This is like right out of the lake.
Yeah, look like some pretty cool stuff for safety.
This is some Silent Hill stuff. What you talking about? Glad the doors didn't lock on you.
This is a nice table set and a nice mirror.
What?
What happened?
Phone start recording. Shut up.
Well, at least it's cleaner up here than it is downstairs.
Why did my phone just stop recording?
Is your thing full?
No.
Sorry.
This is a nice table to clean it up and the mirror. So we're not gonna get your furniture from when you get the new house, Jeff.
This is it. I love the couch.
Right? Too bad it don't fall out into no beds.
It's all full of dust though from the fire. I'm in sight.
Yeah, at least they called before he even got in his room, though. Thought I heard a knock. Y'all heard a knock?
Oh, I kept hearing a few bangs.
Yeah, that's.
Y'all thirsty? Want a Sprite?
I saw that. I do want one. Right, what do you
It's the
think?
fireworks.
Come here. Why would this be moving by itself and you can hear it? Just listen. Listen, stop for me. You hear it? Why would that be moving by itself? The only thing in the hallway that's moving.
Something banging out there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Isn't that wild? Look at that picture.
Oh shit. But why is this moving though? You hear that? You hear that? You hear that?
There's something.
Why is it doing that? Is it water? Oh, that's what it is. Water dripping.
No. Hey. Hey.
What?
I don't hear it anymore.
What was it?
Like a clicking noise, like somebody was like purposely walking
That's what I was
loud.
hearing too.
Walking around?
Walking loud, like they were purposely walking loud.
We're outside?
Yeah.
This place is always so good to come to. Like, there's so much of it we haven't seen. Like, we stumbled across like, some really awesome stuff.
I don't know. I just feel uncomfortable. I
think we
feel
gotta get out.
uncomfortable. Yeah. I feel uncomfortable being in here.
Let's leave Adrena. No man left alone. This is like right out of like a Nightmare on Elm Street.
Yeah.
So we keep hearing some weird clicking noises and anyway, it's kind of scary here, to say the least. You guys want to go back down? I think that's probably the best idea, right?
Yeah. I know one thing. It'd be a good place to come film a movie at, though.
You can film the best horror film in this.
Yeah.
place.
This whole thing is a horror film.
came from that way already, Joe.
Yep. I can't believe how many personal things are left behind.
Right.
So, and there, if we see any, cats or anything or animals, we'll definitely feed them.
You know what? That's the craziest part. We haven't seen any
We
though.
haven't seen it. The smell.
Yeah.
That's the area. I don't see over there. I do recall there was a bed. There's somewhere right there in the front of it.
I think it was that last building over there, that last room. Yep, because the coffee maker is still there. And I'm starting to feel nauseous. We ain't even been here that long.
Matter of fact, you know what? This is the room when we walked in the hallway that you heard the whisper. Remember?
Yeah.
Man, baby, you got 1, 2, 3 lights going on.
Oh, my light on my... I don't want that one on. It might kill it fast.
Gotta have mine on because they ain't got the regular light.
Yeah, this place is make me so nauseous. It's so disgusting.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you talking?
Yes.
Oh.
Talking, me and the people are having a conversation.
Or pain or whatever.
This looks like dry blood here.
This wasn't here though, was it?
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't up there.
Nope.
You know what? They came and stole an air conditioned copper. You see that?
Mm-hmm. Do you guys want to try the voice recorder in here? I think it would be probably a good thing.
Gonna try it on your phone or
Sure.
you gonna record?
Using this camera today.
Huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
We're gonna try recording in here and see what we pick up.
Why would they do that?
It's kind of a slant.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, see it from the side? It's a
My
slant.
camera's all messed up.
Oh, they messed with your camera?
It's blurry and everything.
Oh no.
I hope it's not broken. That would really be.
Last thing you need.
Yeah, Joe's camera just fell off of the TV. Hopefully it just
Alright, so the camera fell.
Just probably
It's
have to
fine.
reset it.
It just,
There you go.
It was really weird and blurry for a minute there. But anyway, we're gonna try voice recording here.
Oh, I wasn't recording anyway.
Oh, you weren't? I was.
So, and on this, we picked up stuff in the past, and actually, Mike and Drina are the ones that showed me this. I really never thought of doing this, and it's really a great idea.
Right?
And it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. Oh, we gotta keep this on because it's so bad in here. All right, so I'm gonna record. Are there any spirits in here? If so, please talk into my phone. Did somebody die in here? Why is that blood that's on the bed? Is there something evil about this place? Can you say one of our names? This place creeps me out, bro. Even more so.
They still got the remote on top of the TV.
Right? True. Alright, so let's see, Alright, ready? Are there any spirits in here? If so, please talk into my phone. Did somebody die in here? Why is that blood that's on the bed? Is there something evil about this place? It's repeated. What's evil about this place? Listen, everyone says there's something evil about this place. Can you say? It repeats it right after me. Is there something evil about this place? Can you say?
Sound like I heard a song back in town.
Is there something evil about this place? Evil about this place. Listen. Evil about this place. Evil about this place.
Yeah, I heard something, yeah.
Can you say
Crazy.
one of our names? All right, so I don't know, you guys. It's hard to hear us here. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it sounded like it repeated almost what I said.
What you said, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it sounded like.
Ooh, man, it's hot in here. You guys want to go outside?
Yeah, man. What? I didn't ever.
That's why I stepped outside.
Huh?
Yeah, I thought I saw somebody.
Where?
Right there.
Somebody
Yeah.
moving?
Seen him? He just peeked. Watch him.
There's somebody over there?
Yeah, there's somebody over there. He just peeked out. He's behind that tree.
Oh, I heard him.
All right.
I thought I heard somebody when I was over here, but I didn't.
Somebody's right over there. Let's go back. This could be the first we tried to assault me. A lot of people don't like that.
Yeah. I can show you a video I got during the day of this place, but he's there now. He screamed at us to get out and started chasing us.
Oh, so that must be the same
Yeah.
Oh, really?
same guy.
Show me no harm. You got the over.
Yeah, Mike. How you doing, man?
What's your channel?
Mine is Joey CTV, but I'm not going to put you guys in it just because you're welcome to check it out. He might put you in it. I just don't do that though. But
Yeah, no.
You can put me on. I don't really care.
Yeah,
Yeah, but yeah, I don't know you, man.
You're fine.
So,
Yeah, we drinking Mike's Paranormal.
Yeah.
Oh, you are paranormal.
Yeah.
Here, here's the video.
What we're here for, too.
Oh, for real?
We're not professional at all, but we're just like, you know what,
we're
let's
not
see.
professional. We just love to do
We're
it.
just checking out the building.
Okay, y'all cats, be careful, man.
Yeah, you be careful. Have a good night.
All right, y'all too.
Yo, if you're gonna be like that, say something like, yo, we ain't police.
they need our help. We'll help them.
They said y'all are walking too slow.
We are. We're like.
Hey, we could have chased us.
Hey, stop!
Come here.
Get over here.
I thought it sounded like a bug or something.
Sounds like a fan of a car running. All right, guys. So we had a nice little run-in with some junior adventurers, I'll say.
Yeah.
But they weren't up to nothing bad. Probably doing the same thing we're doing, trying to figure out what's in here.
What was that? You heard that?
That was them.
Who?
Those kids.
The kids? I
Yeah.
thought it was in front of us.
No, that was behind.
See?
Yeah. I think they're busting stuff up. How's that like?
No, not too.
Mike's not liking his light. We haven't been out in the nighttime in a while, huh?
No.
Because the nighttime,
The nighttime is the nighttime.
it's the right time. Nighttime is the right time.
I'm drunk because I'm high.
You're drunk because you're high.
Yeah.
We don't. And
I'm high. Guess what I'm high on?
oh,
The
what?
heat.
Oh yeah.
I know,
We don't do
right?
drugs,
It
y'all.
made you delusional.
We don't do drugs. We might have a drink every now and then. We don't promote drug usage.
Depends what type of drug.
We're high on life. That's what we're high off of.
That's a
He
drug.
said.
Anything you get high off is called a drug.
All right. Hi, y'all.
Don't hang up. Don't leave me. No. Don't leave me. Honey. Yeah, these little kids are busting up stuff, man. Yeah.
I think we should probably leave.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about, because if the cops being
These kids,
right.
If they were doing anything that, I'm not their keeper, but
Right.
I mean, I protect them, but I'm not going to be here. They're banging on stuff.
Yeah, the thing about it, if cops roll up now, vandalism is already bad, but then they see these young kids doing this.
But this is one creepy building.
Yeah. This is the creepiest building out here.
Disgusting. Maybe
Them kids must have put this out here, because this one out here when we first came up.
What is it?
diapers? Is that diapers or shoes?
Yeah, that was not out here when we first came up.
No, it wasn't. I don't remember that building. But there's diapers. Somebody might.
And I don't know what those air things.
Yeah, because that's the room we went in, right? Yeah, that was not
I
here.
remember that tower. I do remember that fan.
That was here?
The fan, yeah.
I don't remember
Pay
seeing it.
attention to the other stuff.
I don't remember seeing it, but I guess it wasn't. Well, this is the part of the video that I definitely hate. We got to say we'll see you next time for another date.
And Mike has a dance that he wants to do. You want to do that dance, the cowboy dance?
That's your dance.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay, go ahead.
All right.
Hold up. I gotta get the right
I don't know if I
angle.
could do it. I'm gonna try
I
it.
gotta get the right angle.
It's a very difficult dance.
This is gonna be hilarious. Hold on.
But anyway.
It looked like it's called a broke dance. I don't know.
It's the broke cow. It's no.
Oh, are we good?
It's a broke cowboy dance.
He been practicing that.
All right, guys.
It looked like to me we're trying to kill some mosquitoes or something. I'm not sure.
He was stomping all the
I
bugs.
look like, what was his name? David Byrne from the Talking Heads. Like, I had no bones.
Oh no, that was did you see what's the name of the movie?
Same as it ever was.
Weekend at
Same
Barney's.
as it ever was. What's that?
Weekend at Barney's.
Oh yeah, Weekend at Bernie's.
Yeah.
Oh, Weekend at Bernie's.
Yeah,
You guys remember that?
yeah.
That was a great. I forgot
he-
about that movie.
He was so limber in that movie. man.
Walking to the music.
Yeah.
I think you should try the cowboy dance.
I never seen it, so I don't just.
You got to
just
start off
compare
with
to what
the,
you-
you know, the.
He does a boom.
And then you kind of
It's hilarious.
basically throw your body
the
around.
thing about me, I can't just dance. I you know what I'm saying? I just can't.
You gotta be in the.
Yeah, I got to be in the mood. You know what I
Moment.
mean? Yeah, in the moment. See, because
Right.
you know.
We'll have to catch him at a good.
So one of the things that I learned from Mike was sometimes he likes to be around us common folk.
right?
You know what I mean? And I appreciate that because when I'm around Mike, I feel like I went up a notch, man. Thank you, bro.
Oh hell yeah, I like that. I like that.
You like that?
Yeah,
Bang,
yeah.
boom.
Yeah, when I'm around myself, I feel the same way. Yeah, when I'm around myself, I feel like I'm up a notch. You know what I mean?
You are, man.
I appreciate it. But anyway, yeah, we this way. There you go again. But
whom
anyway,
the bell
this
tolls.
is right. This is where you know the video has an end. Unfortunately, the night is over for us. But we enjoyed your company. Right?
Yeah, we did. We enjoyed your company. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see y'all next.
Yeah, and definitely, Joey C, Eat TV, baby. He the
He
man.
always adds an
Yeah.
extra.
I know,
Vowel.
because you always got to be. I got to be extra all the time. You know what I mean? I got to be extra. That's just me.
Joey
You know,
CTV,
you remember that?
guys.
Remember that song with what was it, Michael Jordan? Sometimes I've dreamed that he is me,
Yeah.
like Mike.
Like Mike.
If I could be like Mike,
I wanna be like my.
Hey.
like Mike. If I could
can I
be
say?
like Mike.
You know, sometimes I wonder about these two.
No.
But yeah, these are my favorite two fans. Just to let y'all know.
That's true.
All right, guys.
All right,
Bye.
man. Bye.
Peace.
Bye. Bye. Bye.